Ayan, so ating topic is how to rev up your metabolism. By the way, before that, continue ko po kung paano po ako nag-start sa Herbalife at paano ko po nakuha yung magandang result natin. So, yun, naghanap na ako ng company na kung saan mababawi ko yung aking nawalang kumpiyansa sa sarili at malaki ang connection ng kinakain dito. So, yan po, pinilitan ko yung aking almusal at ang aking snack, no? Together with may maliliit na mga anak pa noon, sabay-sabay kami pagpasok sa school. Yan ang kanilang kinakain sa almusal. So doon confident ako na sila ay magiging talagang kahit walang tutor, nag-excel sa eskwelahan ng aking mga anak. Kasi siyempre naman, Herbalife is nutrition na kailangan talaga ng brain natin at ng ating katawan. So I lost a total of 5 inches sa aking waistline and 27 incredible pounds. Now I'm 53. Wala akong maintenance medication. I look young. I feel great. And dito ko nakita yung opportunity. So bilang nanay noon na mahiyain, ngayon ako ay nag-transform. Hindi ko na mapigilan ang sarili ko to share it with people, to share it with those, especially mga mommy na nakikita ko sa labas at mga kapitbahay, na i-share ko yung opportunity na nakita ko. So dito, na-learn ko that the best level in the company is 50%. 50% kasi nga supervisor level and you can qualify sa higher level ng training at yung mga lalo na po yung extravaganza, no, na siyang nag-open sa akin ng talagang bigger picture. Nakita ko kung gaano kalaki. 22,000 delegates, yon yung aking first extravaganza sa Bangkok. Doon talagang eye-opener sa akin na wow, Herbalife is really a giant company at hindi ko to iiwan for the rest of my life kasi dito ko natagpuan yung talagang magagandang product at the best opportunity. Bilang isang housewife, ginawa ko lang ang pag-share, pagtatrabaho, pag-aaral, kaliwat kanan, sharing, action. Nag-qualify ako sa sa Guam vacation, no? Doon ko nakuha yung aking 10-year multiple entry visa. Bilang isang housewife, ito ay incredible sa akin kasi sino ba naman ako para mabigyan ng 10 years a US multiple entry visa? With Herbalife, everything is possible. Just learn and apply yung mga learnings and act on it. Act on your dreams and goals. So building a team is really not easy, pero pag nilove mo na yung ginagawa mo, yung building team, talagang building a great team, no? Talagang ito na yung isa sa magiging passion mo at makakatulong sa you to move up to the next level kasi sila din mag-the next level. So ang VNC, itong Virtual Nutrition Club na ito is very amazing po at everyday talaga namang except Mondays, no? Hanga-hanga ako sa lahat ng mga kako-coaches natin talagang gumigising ng maaga and study every special topic na ma-assign. Yung ating mga lahat po nang nandito na siyang sharers and naka-assign to really spread good nutrition in every home, no? Sa Zoom. So, congratulations po sa ating lahat. So, dito po sa Herbalife, doon sa opportunity, nung ako ay accountant, hindi ako nakabili ng, nabibili ko lang noon ay lipstick at saka stockings, but with Herbalife, no, 10 years tenga sa bahay, housewife, nag-aral lang ulit ng ating Herbalife opportunity meeting and ways kung paano i-build ang team. Alam niyo po, dito lang ako nakabili ng Montero SUV, bayad na siya lahat, bayad na, at nakatulong sa pagpapaaral sa mga anak ko sa private school, and also yung mga iba po nating investment na merong available, hindi ganun kalakihan pero at nakakapag-invest, pero kasi nung ako ay employee talagang hindi kulang talaga. So grabe yung opportunity. Kaya naman ako ay laging excited, yan, lalo na sa ating event ngayong umaga at mamayang hapon. So yan po, for me, transformation is an ongoing process that tends to appear ordinary when in fact something extraordinary is taking place. So yung ating next slide, please. Ito na po yung aking topic. How to rev up your metabolism and increase your energy with proper nutrition. Guys, they're in the Zoom. Are you ready sa aking mga tips ngayon kung paano natin i-rev up yung ating metabolism at ano yung ating mga gagawin at ano ba yung saan natin kinukuha at ano yung benefits, no, ng ating produkto na meron tayo ngayon. So this topic is from Michelle Ricker. She is our Director of Worldwide Health Education and Training of Herbalife. Yan, so excited sa ating introduction. Alam nyo ba guys that eating a high-protein diet instead of a carb-heavy diet may enable your body to burn more calories per day. Yan, yung ating tinatawag na resting metabolic rate, yung kahit na natutulog at nagpapahinga ka, mas mataas ang iyong na-burn na calories, no? Basta high protein diet yung balance, no? Yes, tayo ay magkakain ng pansit, tinapay, ganoon. So, boosting one's metabolism has been a goal of consumers because it impacts our weight, appetites, and body fat levels. So dito po makikita nyo mamaya, especially those people tayo na talagang ang target natin is mapababa yung body fat natin, yung ating visceral fat, and increase our muscle mass, no, and increase our resting metabolic rate, at mas bumata ang ating metabolic age, mamaya po makikita natin. So the faster your metabolism, the more calories you'll burn even when you're resting, right? So what many people don't realize, however, is that having a high metabolism means you may need to eat more or adjust your meal timing to maintain your weight. So dito po, ina-advise ko never skip your meal, especially yung breakfast. Any time of the day po, always eat on time as much as possible. And this must be, balance. 40% carbohydrates, 30% protein, and 30% carbs. 30% protein and 30% fats, no? So why? Kasi pag yan ay balanse ka, yung mga to will help you fuel yung body mo para ka makapag-exercise. This will energize your body. So wala kang reason na hindi ka mag-exercise kasi kulang ka sa energy, no? So what's important here is understanding how your body processes food and what foods you will need for optimal function. So yung ating next slide will show us what is how the body makes energy. Yan, are you ready? So a balanced intake of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, calories to burn, provides calories to fuel exercise and energize your body. So tulad nga po ng mention kanina sa ating healthy breakfast at saka ni Mother Eileen, yan doon po natin nakikita na napaka-importante at we are very fortunate because we have our group, itong ating VNC na talagang lagi nag-remind sa atin everyday kung paano natin i-meet yung goal natin. So complex carbs, healthy fats, tulad ng avocado and nuts, protein, fish, ito po naman yan, ito yung mga protein naman, tempeh, eggs, take longer to digest, no? Satisfying your hunger and provide a slow, steady stream of energy, resulting in a low glycemic index. Alam nyo ba that low is good? And here is why. So number one, it takes less energy to digest high glycemic index food. Tulad ng yung mga fast food, yung ating mga tawag dito, potato, yung mga potatoes, yung mga like hamburger, fries, yan, donuts, those are high glycemic index, no? Because it's high in refined ingredients, which means the body will continue to be hungry, no? Signaling the brain to want more. Kung mapapansin mo, nakain mo na ang lahat, ang dami-dami mo nang kinain dahil fast food nga yan at walang enough. Kumbaga, those food are very high in calories but low in nutritional or talagang walang nutritional value. It will signal your brain to eat more. Ganon siya. So number two, one of the biggest reasons, no, dieting fails people long term is because every single time you miss a meal or rob your body of adequate nutrients, your blood sugar drops, releasing a hormone in the body that makes you burn muscle, not fat. So, yun po yung sinasabi natin na kapag ikaw ay nag-skip or tayo ay nag-skip ng meal, diba ang iba ayaw kumain kasi nga nagda-diet, kasi gustong may ginugol na sa susunod na araw, meron siyang pictorial or meron siyang wedding, hindi kakain, nag-skip ng meal. Pero alam nyo ba guys, that ang nalulose mo ay hindi tama. Hindi yung body fat, kundi yung muscle mass mo. So ang tendency niyan, ang mag-a-appear yung sad skin, dry skin, parang old na look mo, siyempre ayaw mo yan. Kaya dito, tuturuan ka natin kung paano natin mamimit na mag-lose ka ng body fat, no? Mag-gain ka ng more muscle, at ang magandang result mo, you have glowing skin and very, very good energy. Number three, while it's true that carbohydrates are an important part of balanced meal in order to provide your body with energy, by focusing, yan guys, yung naka-underline, by focusing more on meeting your daily protein requirements, you may be able to burn more calories rather than eating as many carbohydrates as possible. So napaka-importante, balanced protein, no? Yung meron tayong 40% carbohydrates, 30% fats, 30% protein. Yan ang maganda at hindi ka magugutom. Sa ating next slide, makikita nyo magbibuild ka ng more lean muscle. So, the power of mitochondria. Ano ba ito? This is the powerhouse of the cell, no? Mitochondria produce the energy necessary for all cells in our body, survival and functions in the body, including proper adrenal function. So yung adrenal glands produce hormones that help regulate your metabolism. So napaka-importante pala na sinusupport natin talaga to. Kasi ito yung nagbibigay din o nag-regulate ng ating immune system, blood pressure, response to stress, and other essential functions. So through a series of chemical reactions, mitochondria break down glucose into an energy molecule known as adenosine triphosphate, which is used to fuel various other cellular processes. Basically, mitochondria help turn the energy we take from the food into energy that cells can use. Kaya naman tamang-tama talaga, perfect talaga yung ating ipapakita mamaya na healthy breakfast. Now, exercise increases the number of mitochondria, improving our body's ability to produce energy. So, kaya kailangan talaga meron tayong at least 20% exercise. Two excellent ways to supply energy to the mitochondria are L-carnitine and creatinine, yan from natural food sources. So yung ating next slide will show us that energy boosting supplements are ito yan. The vitamin B12. So tandaan po natin, kung ikaw ay person na active, you are always talking to people, lagi piniprepare mo yung breakfast or yung mga kailangan ng mga anak mo o ng partner mo, ng husband mo, and you tend to move more kasi nga ang dami mong iminimit na customer, na clients. Kung ikaw ay working, every now and then nagbibiyahe ka, no? And you keep on working. Kung ikaw naman ay nagbi-build ng team at isip ka nag-isip, especially tayo sa Herbalife, mag-end of month na, you keep on trying to compute, ano yung kulang ng ganito mo, ano yung kulang niya, and then to meet yung goal ng bawat team members. Grabe yung energy na kailangan natin. So kung ikaw ay active pero hindi ka naman kumakain ng balanced meal at minsan ay napapa-alcohol pa. If you are using medications kasi meron kang maintenance medication, you may be low in B vitamins. No? So vitamin B12 plays an important role in energy production as it helps transform the food we eat into energy that cells can use. Helps from red blood cells that are necessary for lung function and convert fat and protein to energy. So, ang importansya ng vitamin B1, ito yung thiamine, used by the brain and nervous system. So dito, we have yung ating Herbalife line, yung omega-3, malaking tulong yan para sa brain development. We have vitamin B12, riboflavin, yan, counters oxidative stress. Parang nakikita ko dito yung Nitworks. So vitamin B3, niacin supports some brain basic brain functions. So yung vitamin B5 naman, pantothenic acid, ito yung sumusuport sa ating important neurotransmitters, yung brain chemicals natin. So I recommend these products. Yan, sa ating next slide. The energy boosting supplements, yan, tulad muna, prior to that, we have naman, pwedeng ito yung inyong i-prepare kung kayo ay may oras pa. Cooked spinach, broccoli, kale, collard greens, yan ang mga kailangan mo. Mustard green, chard, bok choy, yan, beet green, Chinese broccoli are all energy boosting foods, no? With chlorophyll, magnesium, and B vitamins. Kung ikaw ay may time i-prepare, magpunta sa grocery at lahat ng ito i-prepare sa ating busy schedule, take it, do it. But I recommend, ito yung daily na kailangan natin na magsusupport sa ating daily need, no, in every meal. We have, ito, sa nakikita nyo sa screen, our F1 Nutritional Shake Mix. Yan. And outside of B vitamins pala, is CoQ10, no? It stimulates the cell powerhouse to produce more energy. So yung ubiquinol is found at every cell in your body, and with aging, the body type typically has less of it. So dito po, iron has a role in creating energy from nutrients. It also contributes to the transmission of nerves impulses, so the signals that coordinate the actions of different parts of your body. Kung napapansin nyo, after taking the shake, no, di ba mas para kang si, ang pangalan nun, si Papay, yung biglang ang energy mo parang gusto mo lumipad sa sobrang gaan ng pakiramdam, na ang cravings mo talagang nawawala at lesser. Tapos sasabayan mo pa ng ating F1 yung ating F2, no? Yung ating vitamin and minerals, which is nagbibigay po ito ng more energy at more focus. At ito po yung tumutulong din para mag-adjust, especially for those people here in the Zoom, na bago kayo sa program at nag-a-adjust, no? I-take mo yung ating F2 together with your F1 nutritional shake mix para hindi ka gutumin. Kasi yung ating F2, vitamin and minerals, ay tumutulong mag-adjust sa iyo dahil sanay kang kumain ng quantity or mataas na quantity ng food, no? Yung volume or malakas ka pa kumain, sabayan mo ng vitamin and minerals para hindi ka mag-crave or para hindi ka mag-acid or mag-bloated. Malaking tulong ito kasi ito yung nagpapabusog, tumutulong magpabusog sa iyo. And for you, this will help you meet yung vitamin mo na kailangan and hindi ka mas busog ka for longer period of time. Yan. Ang tawag din natin dyan is anti-stress, vitamin and minerals. O, diba? So guys, take it every day. Okay? And malaking tulong yan. Yung ating next slide po. Yan. Thank you so much, Coach Lori. Remember, having a lot of energy is often our end goal. Tama? And feels great, but understanding how to adopt a diet to attain the great feeling can do so much more for you and your overall health. No, boosting your metabolism is possible when there is an understanding of how your body produces energy and how different food affect your blood sugar. So take your aloe tea shake every day. Bring your shake everywhere you go, and bring your vitamin and minerals, yung ating F2, no? Kahit saan ka magpunta. Kasi napakahalaga niyan, and also marami tayong products na available pa dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. Kung hindi pa kayang sabay-sabay, ang i-goal mo is every 1 week or every 2 weeks mag-add ka ng isang supplement para makatulong sa iyo na ma-meet mo yung goal mo very, very soon. So thank you, my BNC family, for giving me this chance to share this special topic. Yan, back to you, Coach Lori. Thank you.